Yes, sir. These are the side this way day by Mr. James in place. The wall this one. So we don't do the plastering of the fence. At the back of the house this. Then at the front, this area now at the front, we've been decided for left hand so make we try for think about the waiting we go put another side because say cause as we dey discuss say making get some form of design so that make we not be do much on this particular 3 panel there. Then on this front now, we don't choose the gate, or we don't make the gate now because no one put down this one, make people can get access again to inside so. So one we don't put, we don't design, we don't determine the gate we for put. Then that ending now we can just pull all this now and get them a perfect finish.